Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me Joshua from HTML with Joshua, and today we're going to be looking at how to make deleted text in HTML. And if you find this video informational and if you learned something new in this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. That means a lot to me. And hope you enjoy this video. So to do this, what we're gonna be doing is very simple. So I have opened a new file over here and named it deltxt, which I'm gonna delete text.html, and also opened it in Google. So I'll just open that over here. So I have opened it in Google, and also have it over there in Visual Studio Code. So this is actually a very simple thing that everybody can do in just one line of code with one tag. So we'll just get started into it. So we'll go to Visual Studio Code, and first of all, write like the basic skeleton. So that is uh, the HTML and the head. Head is actually not that necessary, but I'm just doing it like for the sake of the skeleton. And the main part is the body. So we're gonna be writing the body. And here what we're going to be doing is, instead of body, you can actually, I'm going to be doing a h1 tag, which is the biggest of all the tags, and instead I'm going to be writing something like hello world. And after that, I'm going to be saving this and just going to be trying to like text it. I have all the saved on over here, so like you should click Ctrl+S to save it, and after that I'm going to be checking it on Google and refresh it, and there should be a hello world over here. So what we're going to do after that is we're going to be going back to Visual Studio Code, and now this is just a simple, just a hello world. Now I want it to be a deleted text. So what we're going to do there is that there's actually a tag for this deleted text called as the del tag, so we're going to be using that. We're going to be using the del tag, del, like that, and we're gonna be putting this h1 from here to here. We're gonna be putting that inside the del tag. So now what happened is that, okay, Ctrl+S save, and what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go back to the back to Google where we have saved it, and just refresh it, and you can see it crossed over or deleted or overlaid. So that is how you make a hello world, a classic deleted text in HTML. I hope this video was so informational to you and you learned something new in this video. And please drop a subscribe and like to this video if it was useful. That will mean the whole world to me. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it for me, and goodbye.